Hare Ram, Vaheguru, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. You know, when God takes a form, He has a message. Now He lives that message. He declares this message in some which way that you can grasp it. And that is called rhetoric. In some which way, He has a message basically. So that message has to be communicated. So He carves a story around Himself and communicates the message. So He's basically a messenger. When He comes in a form, He's a messenger. Comes with a message, comes with a teaching. So, when I went to my guru is famously means many people call him God. Famously. So many people object to it, severely object to it, that how can a man be God? So God has always lived in this confusion. Was it Jesus or was it Guru Nanak? They always lived in this confusion. They themselves had no confusion, but people had confusion. People, somebody would say he's God, and somebody would say he's a villain and he needs to be killed. So many people, many such gods were killed also. Well, that's a story he carves around himself. But he basically comes as a teacher, as a messenger. Because without the messenger, how would you understand what is hukum? What is the law of creation? Hukum means the law of creation. Or hukum also means your beloved. Hukum. You call your husband also a hukum, Swami. So, and your Swami or your God or your hukum also has a hukum, has a message to give to you. And you have to be receptive to grasp it, to accept it. जेको खावे जेको पुंचे खाओ पुंचो डाइजेस्ट करो जिसका होए उधार हो जो खा ले डाइजेस्ट कर ले उसका उद्धार हो जाए. So I went to my guru and he's famously known as God and he's accused also by millions. How can he be God? Well, it's okay. So when I went to him, he told me, don't call me God. I'm a teacher. If you call me God, it doesn't really matter because you don't even know what is God. And if you don't call me God, it doesn't matter because I have come with a message. I am a teacher. So you just receive the message and bless yourself. That's the only one reason for God taking a form. He comes to you as a teacher. And what is the message? Is Jini Pachata Hukum Tin Kadena Rovana. Now Nanak Bakshish Manma Provana. He comes and tells you कि अगर तुमने मैसेज मेरा अच्छी तरह डाइजेस्ट कर लिया, if you digest my message, then you will be beyond happinesses and sorrows. दर्द दिलों के कम हो जाते, मैं और तुम अगर हम हो जाते, दूर ये सारे भरम हो जाते, मैं और तुम अगर हम हो जाते. So, नाम जपो, नाम जपो. नाओ नानक बख्शीश मन महापरोण. मन में नाम पिरो लो. और नाम क्या होता है? हरे कृष्णा बोलते रहो, वाहिगुरु बोलते रहो, अल्लाह अकबर बोलते रहो, सुभान अल्लाह बोलते रहो. एंड सुभान अल्लाह बोलते बोलते ये भी तो पहचान लो कि किसका नाम ले रहे हो. You are taking the name of your beloved only. And who is your beloved? That God who came in the form to tell you कि नाम जपते रहो. So whose name are you reciting? His name only. If you're saying Krishna, Hare Krishna, you are remembering your beloved. And God is no God. I often say God is dead if he is not your beloved. So know that he is your beloved. Accept it that he is your beloved. सतगुरु मिले तो हुक्म पछाने. जब तक God doesn't come in a form, how would you know? How would you be able to taste the नाम? नाम का टेस्ट कैसे आएगा? If you keep reciting gulab jamun, gulab jamun, gulab jamun, but you have never seen a gulab jamun, an Englishman who has never seen a sweet dumpling, sweet sugar dumpling are there in their culture also, but gulab jamun is in our culture, which is made peculiarly in our culture, in our part of the world. So somebody who's never tasted a gulab jamun, never seen a gulab jamun, you ask him to keep saying gulab jamun, gulab jamun, gulab jamun. We useless, we tasteless. But somebody who's tasted once is good enough, lifetime. One such kiss, one such taste of the gulab jamun is great enough for a lifetime. You will never forget it then. And then you can keep remembering that moment when you first ate that gulab jamun. Isn't it? So Krishna will have to come to you in a form. But then he conceals himself as much, he reveals himself. Necessarily, it's a handicap. Because he conceals himself as much as he reveals. Why? How? You see, if I think that Satya Sai Baba sitting in Puttaparthi is my God, then I am all the time torn between this place and Puttaparthi. I am all the time wanting to go and stay in Puttaparthi. Well, if I go and stay there also, then also I am torn between me and him. Because, I mean, how, ishq adhura, dunya adhuri. This meeting can never happen between bodies. तस्वीरें ना मिलियां, तस्वीरें कभी मिल नहीं सकती, दो तस्वीरें, पर दिल मिल बैठे, दिल में ही मिला जा सकता है. दिल is the only place, heart is the only place which is Haridwar, which is Amritsar, which is Makkah. Dil is the promised land, the Israel. Promised land is your heart. You can meet your beloved only in your heart. So, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Somebody who's ever tasted Krishna, if he or she says Krishna, the whole world comes to a stop. Nothing needs to be said thereafter. That someone is called a Gurmukh. That someone is a Radha. That someone is a Meera. That someone is a Arjun. That someone is a Khalsa. And that Khalsa is the Kunji to the Guru Granth Sahib. That Bhakta is the way to Bhagwan. तुम प्रेम हो, तुम प्रीत हो, मेरी बांसुरी का गीत हो. तुम प्रेम हो, तुम प्रीत हो, मनमीत हो राधे, मेरी मनमीत हो. ये तो एक गाना है, वाहे गुरु. ये गाना नहीं है, ये तो कृष्णा इज टेलिंग यू, you have to accept it. From your heart, you have to accept it. तुम कौन हो? तुम पूछते हो भगवान से कि तुम कौन हो, वो तुमसे पूछता है कि तुम कौन हो। तो तुम in receptivity, in all love, you ask him, अच्छा मुझे बताओ मैं कौन? मैं कौन मतलब मैं कौन, नॉट कि तुम कौन हो। तुमको तो जाना नहीं जा सकता कृष्णा, मैं कौन हूं यही बता दो। मेरे भगवान, मेरे अल्लाह, तुमको तो जाना नहीं जा सकता, तुम तो अलग हो, अपार हो, अगम, अलग, अगम, अपार। तुम ना तो पहुंचे जा सकते हो, ना जाने जा सकते हो, ना देखे जा सकते हो। यही बता दो कि मैं कौन हूं। Then he tells you, provided you listen, जेको खावे, जेको पुंचे, provided you digest, ज्ञातुम द्रष्टुम च तत्वेन प्रवेष्टुम। तुम अनन्य भक्त होगे तभी तो मानोगे, नहीं तो क्यों मानोगे? कहोगे ऐसे ही, ये तो गाना है। मगर अगर तुम मानना चाहते हो तो कृष्णा तुमको बताएगा। तुम प्रेम हो, तुम प्रीत हो, मेरी बांसुरी का गीत हो। तुम प्रेम हो, तुम प्रीत हो, मनमीत हो राधे, मेरी मनमीत हो। फिर तुम बोलते हो कि नाम मिल जाए मुझे। अरे नाम तो मिल गया ना, मगर आप तो मानो तब ना। मनने की बात कही ना जाए, जे को कहे पीछे पछताए। अगर मान लोगे तो यू विल हैव अ जाति अंतर परिणाम। जाति अंतर परिणाम, व्हाट इज दैट? I mean, biology students know what is metamorphosis, but they have never experienced metamorphosis. Metamorphosis, आपका जाति ही बदल जाना। From a creeping insect, you become a butterfly. चीनी पछाता हुक्म तिनका देना रोना. Then you go beyond rona, hasna. You are in an intoxicated state. Then you realize what is true living. अमृत नाम परमेश्वर तेरा, जो सिमरे सो जीवे. सो आपके परमेश्वर आपके दिल में आ गए. परमेश्वर, परमेश्वर, the most beloved thing whom you were missing all life, your goal of life, your lakshya has come into your heart. And now when you say Vaheguru, Jati Antar Parinam, now the caterpillar who used to be creeping around on the earth now becomes a pakiza. तुम्हारे पाँव बहुत हसीन हैं, इनको जमीन पर मत रखना. So you start flying as a khalsa, as a pure one, as a pak one. You forget about all impurities of this world. Get back into that world जहाँ प्यार ही प्यार पले. आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलो एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहाँ गम भी ना हो, आंसू भी ना हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले. और वो कहाँ है? आप ही का दिल है. We have become so cynical, we have become so intellectual that we have become millions of miles away from our heart. So somebody who can take us back to our heart is called a messenger, is called a teacher. You call him whatever. And how does he take you to your heart? Because he lives from the heart. He lives from the heart. A Satya Sai Baba requires no fame. He doesn't require advertisements. Nanak doesn't require a Sikh community. Nanak is not a politician. Nanak is a messenger. He wants you to receive the message. And Nanak is blessed, and so are you blessed. Buddha doesn't require a Buddhist religion. He warned his followers not to make a religion around him. But we don't understand. Every messenger has cautioned his students. Students, in Hindi is called Sikh. Every teacher has told his students, don't advertise me. Just digest my message, bless yourself. Fame means what? A herd of sheep, a herd of cattle following somebody. What does he do with the herd of cattle? He's a vegetarian. He doesn't require the flesh and bones of cattle. He's a pure vegetarian. He eats only spirit. He needs only your heart. He doesn't need your bodies. But when you bodily connect with him, that is where for a while he's concealing himself. And when you have tasted the gulab jamun, and then he says, no, now you carry on tasting it within your heart. No repeated, you don't need to eat gulab jamun again and again. Once you've eaten it, now you enjoy it forever. One lifetime is enough for that one taste. Isn't it? He's a teacher who tells you who I am and who you are. You are प्रेम हो, प्रीत हो, मेरी मनमीत हो, मेरी बांसुरी का गीत हो. Hare Ram. Bless yourself. Go deeper, deeper into yourself and live it then. Live life from Atmic plinth. Vistar. You will realize what is pranayam then. प्राणों का आयाम बढ़ जाएगा. प्राणों का विस्तार. Hare Krishna. Vaheguru. Bless yourself. Life is very precious. Taste it. You will be able to taste it only when you live life from the heart. Not in cynical criticism of anything and everything. You are belittling yourself by wasting time in intellectualizing everything. Spiritualize your intellect. Stop declaring that spirituality is scientific. Don't belittle spirituality. You can say science is also a bit spiritual. Science is a drop of spirit. You can't say spirituality is scientific. It's belittling spirituality. Science is all intellectual. Spirit is heart. How can heart be intellectual? Heart is blind. Heart is intoxication. Heart is life. Live it. Live in love. Fall in love with your beloved and then rise in love in life. Make God your Ishwar. Ishwar means beloved. Don't kill God by keeping him distant. You are killing God by keeping him at a distance in a mandir or in a church. Let God also live He needs your heart to live. Give your heart to God and make Him your Ishwar, your beloved. Give some relationship to Him till you realize Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Initially, Tvameva Mata. Make Him your Mata. Because He doesn't have a gender, He doesn't have an age. He doesn't have a color, which you have given Him colors and names and genders. He is everything. So first make Him Mata. Then you realize, no, He's my Pita also. Tvameva Mata, Pita Tvameva. Then you realize, He is my friend also. Tvameva Bandhuscha Sakha Tvameva. Make Him your brother. Make Him your sister. Then realize that, oh, He is a message. Tvameva Vidya. Chadravinam Tvameva. Oh, you are the taste. You are the essence of life. And then realize that Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Then you would realize what is a guru. Otherwise, you're just declaring somebody is your guru or not. You wear an anklet, you wear a ring, a thread around your wrist, or you wear a bhala, and you say, "I have a guru." No, you will have to realize him like that. पंथ दसावा नित्य खड़ी मुंद जो बन बाली राम राज्य गुरु रामदास बता रहे हैं I am a bride of my Guru and I am showing you the path to the Guru. We conceptualize him in whatever which form. Maybe made pictures of, let's say, Guru Ramdas also and Guru Arjan Dev also. You can imagine with a turban, with a beard, sitting like that. But he's saying, Pantata Savanit Khadi Mund Jo Banwali Ram Raj. He's saying, I am a bride of my Guru. And his Guru was, we conceptualize as Guru Amar Das. And he also was a octogenarian. He was about 80 years old. And Guru Ramdas was his son-in-law. Well, so relationships don't matter till your Guru is Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Then you know Guru is Guru. Then comes from your heart. When metamorphosis happens, then will come your heart. Tera kita jato nahi mainu jog kito. मुझे तुमने कैसे बदल दिया हैरान हूं मैं इस बात पर. Because unless your transformation occurs, how would you realize what life is, what Guru is, what God is, what Ishwar is? Otherwise, you're just wasting time like a herd of cattle going to mandirs or masjids or churches. Ignorant, ignoramus, stupidly watching some idol. Let that idol go into your heart and become living. Otherwise, this idol is a dead piece of rock. Let that idol go into your heart and live it. Your idol will become living. You have to and open your heart, gate of your heart. Dasmadvar. Light will come from your eyes, from this eye of yours. Kapal bhati ho jayega. Kapal is this. Bhati is yahan se light aayegi. Kapal. Jab tak you are primary school children, you can keep throwing in your breath in and out, keep doing it. Very well. That will also help. That'll exercise your chest, that exercise your breathing muscles. But once Kapal Bhati happens, you will be blessed. The world will be blessed. The world will start seeing light. Hare Ram. And it's all possible. You have to be just convinced that it's possible. Hare Ram. You go beyond life and death. All the time in an intoxicated state. Live from your heart. तेरा कीता जात तो नहीं. कौन है तेरा? Somebody inscrutable. कौन है तू? Inscrutable, unknowable. तूने मेरे को कैसे बदल दिया? तेरा कीता जात तो नहीं. मैंने जो की तो. मैं निर्गुण यारे को गुण नहीं है. आप पे तरस पे हुई. पता नहीं मेरे को क्या कैसे पकड़ लिया तुमने. मेरे को कैसे चुन लिया? How did you select me? How did you became willing to take me as your student? What was there in me? There was nothing in me. आप पे तरस पे हुई. It was your mercy, your grace. तरस पिया, मेहरामत हुई. सतगुरु सज्जन मिलिया. मेरे को टीचर मिल गया. नाम मिले ता जीवा तन मन थी वे हरिया. नाम मिले. नाम तो मिल गया. आप बोलना शुरू कर दो हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा. ऐसे तो नहीं बनेगा. ये तो राम राम करता जाग मुआ. राम ना पाया जाए. ऐसे राम नहीं मिला. जब तक वो पहले माता नहीं बना, फिर पिता नहीं बना, फिर बंधु नहीं बना, फिर सखा नहीं बना, फिर विद्या नहीं बना, द्रविणम नहीं बना, तब तक राम कैसे मिलेगा? सर्वम मम देव देवा. फिर तो जिंदगी बदल जाएगी. ये जिंदगी जिंदगी थोड़ा रह जाएगी. ले चल, ले चल मेरे जीवन साथी, ले चल मुझे उस दुनिया में प्यार ही प्यार हो जहां. एंड ही विल से हम तुम है जिस दुनिया में प्यार ही प्यार है वहां. क्योंकि तुम प्रीत हो, तुम प्रेम हो, मेरी बांसुरी का गीत हो, मेरी मनमीत हो राधे, मेरी मनमीत हो. That's what will make you a Gurdas, Bhai Gurdas. And you will become a Kunji to Guru Granth Sahib. आनंद पे मेरी माए सतगुरु में पाए. That will come from your heart then. आनंद पे मेरी माए सतगुरु में पाया. If one has to say it in other words, there's a song, beautiful song, which is in other words. You can listen to it. It's very beautiful. In other words. Well, when you're saying Anand Pya Meri Mai, it means what? In Sanskrit it says Prapya Praptaha, Chikirsha Shunya. In Hindi it can be said, मेरे दिल ने जो मांगा मिल गया, मैंने जो कुछ भी चाहा मिल गया. हो गई प्यार की हर तमन्ना जवां. प्यार की बहुत तमन्नाएं होती हैं. प्यार में एक भाई चाहिए होता है, एक बहन चाहिए होती, माँ चाहिए होती, पिता चाहिए होता, बच्चा चाहिए होता. ये मुझे सब कुछ मिल गया. हरे राम. आनंद प्या मेरी माए सतगुरु में पाए. और सतगुरु तो पाए सहज से. सहज क्या होता है? आपका दिल, आपकी आत्मा. सतगुरु तो आत्मा से ही पाया जा सकता है, बुद्धि से नहीं पाया जा सकता. पाया ही नहीं जा सकता. क्योंकि बुद्धि से ही इज एन another being. How can he meet you? दर्द दिलों के कम हो जाते, मैं और तुम गर हम हो जाते. कैसे हम हो सकते हैं? दो बॉडीज कैसे मिल सकती हैं? तस्वीरें ना मिली. सो दिस मीटिंग कैन हैपन ओनली इन योर हार्ट. एंड जब ये मीटिंग हो जाती है, तो then you say मिलन की मस्ती, मिलन की मस्ती भरी आंखों में हजारों सपने, मिलन की मस्ती भरी आंखों में. Then life is like that. So a Nanak doesn't come to gather following. He just passes through life in happiness. And happiness is his message. How to create happiness within you. Eat a gulab jamun and then keep remembering him whole life. Fill yourselves up with that taste. You will also have to then tyaktava deham punarjanma na iti mam eti suarjuna. And you will also become bodiless, formless, like him. He is formless, he is not a form. Hare Ram, bless yourself, bless the world, bless your God. Hare Ram, Vaheguru.